Is this recipe the best fusion ever? The power of the sun in the palm of your hand. What did we say about creating elements?
Ba 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 ba, Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make cheeseburger dumplings.
They're cheeseburger dumplings. That's what we're making.
Or maybe we make kitty dumplings, huh? How dare you turn your back on me? How dare you turn your back on me? Cheeseburger dumplings. Let's do it. Let's get dumply. First up, let's get saucy.
I'm so saucy, saucy bossy.
Let's make a sauce. Ketchup. Get yourself some ketchup. Ave Maria. No more ketchup. What did the mommy tomato say to the baby tomato? Think fast. Yes. Get yourself some Hellmann's. It's the best You know what? No, they're not paying me to say that. Get yourself some generic no-name brand mayonnaise. About a tablespoon of mayo.
Yes, quite.
2 parts ketchup to 1 part mayo. 1 teaspoon of warcestershired. 1, 2, 3. Pinch of garlic powder goes in. A little bit of quiver livers and a pinch of salt and a little smoky pap. 1/4 teaspoon of smoky pap.
Yeah.
Is that what it looked like? Now give it a mix. I'm also gonna add in a little bit of Creole maple hot sauce from Heartbeat Hot Sauce. Woohoo! Woo! Pour it into a squirty bottle thing. You're gonna be squirting all over later. Maybe stop making jokes like that, buddy. Now keep this for later. There's not that much filling in these dumplings, so you just need a little beef. Let's get beefy. Medium heat will be the heat we will be heating at. A little bit of butter.
Hi.
Boom, 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 boom. Beefy! Beefles! Make that beef sing. I don't wanna wait for life to be over. Break it up. You don't want big chunks here. You just want little chunky bunkies. Little chunky bunkies. Little chunky bunkies. Now that we've cooked our meat, little squirt of ketchup. Little squirt of... Do a little squirt of ketchup. Was that so hard? A little bit of Worcester. You know what mustard spelled backwards is?
Dratsum.
Little squirt of dratsum. A little pinch of salt as well. Little frischels. Pinch of MSG because yes. Now mix it up. Yes, good. Now turn off your heat. It's very difficult to do for me though, because I'm so hot.
Yeah.
You smell like good. When choosing one of these, it's important to pick the right one. Nom, nom, nom. I love pickles in my mouth. Hey, pickle juice in my eye. Dice your pickle. You're like a little pickle worm, huh? What's that? You want me to eat you? Pickle worms are good. Little pile of lettuce. And they say chivalry is dead. Hey, beautiful, is it okay if I chop you up? Chop up some chives. The chives are gonna be today's garnish. Get yourself some dumpling wrappers. Did you hear about the dumpling that learned how to do magic? His name was Dumpledore.
Did you put your name in the goblet of fire, Harry?
You're also gonna wanna get yourself some American cheese. If you're not sure if your cheese is American, just pay attention. There's usually some signs. Remove the cheese from its cheese condom. Let's make some dumplings. I'm gonna start off by putting a little square of cheese. Beep, beep, beep. Now put your inside the wrapper. Why was that censored? So put your inside the... Put that in that. You don't want too much or else it'll be impossible to close. Little piece of pickle. Now wet your fingers and do a little wrap around. That doesn't sound good. And now close it up. First I give it a little seal. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-da-ba. Focus. A little crimping action here. That's 1. Now make thousands more. Or 6. I'm gonna make 6. What kind of music do dumplings listen to? Rap music. Dumplings, like people, don't need to be perfect. But they should try. You're a labor of love. This cheese is like my jokes. Unhealthy for people. Dumplings. We're gonna do a medium-high heat. A little bit of canola. And now space them out real good. Fry up those dumplings. Once they've gotten a little crispies, you're gonna wanna cover it up. No, you're not the right size for that. Remove your dumplings. Little crispies. You're gonna start with a little bed of iceberg lettuce. Pick a couple of these bad boys. A little bit of little saucy bousy. A little bit of sesame seeds on top. Little goshugaru on top as well. Can't forget our chives. Little fried shallots on top because those are super crispy and delicious. cheeseburger dumplings. You're welcome. And now we eat you. Oh boy. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. What? Oh God, it's so cheesy. With that lettuce, a little crunchy, runchy. Woo! Let me show you. This is what it looks like. Look how good that looks. If you want to focus, focus. It's a dumpling. Long gone. I'm the f***ing best. I don't care. I want more. No more. Bye, friends.